When I bought this company a year ago, the entire inventory system was paper, carbon copy sheets, stuff written down by hand. That was it. In a business that runs on aluminum, panels, and extrusion components, nobody actually knew what we had, what was low, or what we'd run out of until we were standing in front of an empty rack. So I went looking for software. I tested a bunch of inventory systems. The cheapest one that did most of what I wanted was $150 a month, and it still didn't do everything I needed. So I'm driving into the office one morning, listening to YouTube, and there's this guy talking about a tool called Lovable. He's saying you can just build your own software with it, no coding. You describe what you want and it builds it. And I thought, all right, let's see if that's actually true. So I got on it and started messing around. And I'll be honest with you. At one point, I had to ask my 11-year-old how to do part of it. That's the truth. My kid helped me build business software. It took me a few tries. The first versions weren't right, but I kept describing what I needed and refining it. And eventually I had a system me and my team actually like using, which, if you've ever tried to get a crew to adopt new software, you know that's the hard part. Let me show you what it does. This is the dashboard. Right now we've got 351 materials tracked in the database. It calculates our total inventory value in real time, business cost times quantity, sitting right there at $360,000. I know exactly what's on my shelves in dollars at any moment. It flags low stock automatically. 26 items low right now, 5 of them critical. And it shows me the critical alerts, things that are out or nearly out, like patio style, head and foot bolts, screen top. I tap an item, it drops straight into a purchase order. From there, I create the PO, send it to the vendor, and track it. Draft, sent, received, canceled. The whole order cycle lives in one place. The system I almost paid $150 a month for, my Lovable subscription is about $50 a month. And I haven't just built the inventory system on it. I've built other tools for my team on the same account. Here's the bigger point, and this is why I'm showing you this. You do not need to hire a developer. You do not need to settle for overpriced software that almost fits. If you run a real business, you know exactly what you need better than any software company does, and now you can just build it. An owner-operator with no coding background built a custom inventory system in his spare time with help from his 6th grader. This is how I'm putting AI to work inside an actual manufacturing company. Not theory, not hype. Real tools doing real work. I'll be breaking down more of what we build. Subscribe and follow along.